Namaste. I am Gayathri. I am Gireesh, class 7A from the school SREERAMAKRISHNA VIDYANIKETHAN Public School, Nandikara. I am here to say about education is not only in books. All education does not come in the hands of teachers. All learnings does not take place in classrooms or labs. Very best teacher in life is experience. Nowadays, people think that they can only get knowledge from books. Instead of that, there are much more options rather than books. We want to promote children to the outer world rather than being bookworms. Education is not all books, exams, tests, memorizing formulas or theorems. It's much more than that. Education is when you're learning something new, the feeling you get that when you're learning why the sky became blue, why you see random specks or figures that look like germs, or what are the various logos of companies, and its constant pursuit of knowledge, always wanting to discover new facts and informations. Education is also a feeling you get when you impart knowledge to others. Educate is not just bookish knowledge. In generally, it was used in three different ways. First one is a sociological move, means a child rearing practices of a society. Second one is institutional education, means a person's development that is at the result of the school or other formal institutions. The third one is a general enlightenment use, means a person's development that is characterized by knowledge, understanding, encompasses both the above said ways. Education is not just about putting informations in, it's about drawing out from the learner. Clearly then, education is not just limited to the books and the curriculum. As Gandhi said, education must involve in the all-around drawing out of the best and the individual body, spirit and mind. Education begins from the very moment of a conception of a child. In this increasingly technology-driven world, we want to learn the children how to approach life and work and how to build relationships. And we want to provide them with opportunities and develop skills like communication, group discussion, teamwork and creativity, leadership, etc. A vital importance of conception of educator in this age, the educators are not licensed professionals at school, like parents, grandparents, friends, along with all the child interacts are his educators. Thus, a strong home to school connect is truly important. This world is our best teacher. There is a lesson for everything. There is a lesson for each experience. Learn it and become wise. Every failure is a stepping stone to success. Every difficulty or disappointment is a trial of our faith. Thank you and have a nice day.